Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti, and today I have 5 lip balm recommendations for winter under 300, and these are really good, really good. So I'm really excited to show you these things. So a while back I recommended you Nip Care as lip balm. Many people they liked it, but many people also didn't like it. They didn't like the smell of it, and I got this Nip Care recommendation from you, and I really enjoyed it myself. But for this video, I'm not including Nip Care because I read comments like they really didn't like the smell, the texture. But if Nip Care is working for you, then that's great and good. But in this video I'm gonna give you different options, so let's start. So first I have this one. This is Body Shop Shea Butter Lip Balm. I really like this one. I mostly use this at night. It makes a very good overnight lip treatment, I'm telling you. The texture is so good. It moisturizes my lips so well. I have tried the strawberry lip butter as well. This has a strawberry scent to it. I like it, but I love it, this shea butter one. I recommend you this version, but you can try the strawberry one too. It looks like pink, but it doesn't leave much tint behind, to be very honest. And this shea butter lip balm, it doesn't have any tint. This is quite good. I have another one. I keep a backup because I love this so much. So if you're looking for a moisturizing lip balm, it can be very good for you. And another recommendation I have is this one from Himalaya, their lip butter. I don't have that with me right now. Even that one is very moisturizing. Even you can find that lip balm to be very helpful, this one. And another thing that we use is Borolane. That is very popular here, and I know this all my life. It has a strong smell, but I love it because the scent is nostalgia to me. Yeah, the Borolane thing is, winter is coming, means we're gonna buy like 2 or 3 tubes of Borolane. My mom used to use it for her feet, for her hands. She didn't use much lip balms, she used to use Vaseline. Even Vaseline is quite good. And sometimes I used to put lip balms on her lips and she used to get very pissed at me. She didn't like, scented lip balms, and I used to use, I don't know, there used to be very fruity kind of a lip balm I got from market, and I remember I applied this on her lips and she was so mad at me. But yeah, she liked Vaseline for her lips. Okay, so the second lip balm that I have is this one. This is Plum, and I have been using this for a long time. I really love it. This has this tint, and I love the tint. I love how moisturizing it is. I mostly use this during the daytime, and it works really well for me. See how much I have used. This is my 3rd or 4th tub, I think. So if you're looking for something tinted, then you can go for this Plum Candy Melts lip balm. This is Very Feast, the name of the shade. Okay, so the next lip balm I have, this one. This is Mom's Cone Natural Lip Balm Cherry. It has cocoa shea butters. It doesn't have any tint, but this is so moisturizing. So if you have dry lips, chapped lips, it can be your savior. And if you don't like this pots where you have to put your finger inside, then you can go for this chapstick. This is really good, and I recommended it like long time back as well. This is around $1.99. No nonsense, very good lip balm. And for this video I'm like prioritizing only moisturizing and nourishing factor. I'm not like thinking much about tint and everything. If you want recommendations for tinted lip balms, let me know. Okay, so next I have this old friend. I know this from my college, I have been using this for like 10 years. I mean, I know this lip balm for 10 years. I used to use this a lot when I was in college. I have another one, see. Okay, so I really love it. It has this very nice tint. If you have dehydrated lips, it can be a very good thing for you. And if you have dehydrated lips, drink more water. It might help you there. Yeah, this is very good. This is time tested. I love it. So you can give it a try. I love the scent as well. I mean, scent, when it comes to scent, I love old scents. Like, that takes me back to old days and I get nostalgic. I love those scents, and this is one of those scents. And I really love this lip balm. So last lip balm I have, Basic Vaseline. This is the cocoa butter version. You can try the original version as well. I couldn't find it. I don't know why did I keep it. So Vaseline is like love for winter. Even you can try this one. This is a Palmer's Nursing Butter. It has cocoa butter as well. Then it has this panthenol with petrolatum. This is very good for dehydrated lips. It is actually for nipples, but I do use this for my lips and it works really well. Why cannot I open it? Yeah. See, it has this texture like this. And this is actually very good. I also use this for my nails, like this. So my nails stay like nice, healthy and shiny. Or simply you can try the Vaseline. It smells like cocoa butter. It was my list for winter affordable lip balms, and all these things are time tested and I really like these things, so I thought of recommending this for you. And Borolane, then Nip Care, this are though, like if these are working for you, then use these things. And Borolane is something, I used to use this as overnight treatment. I used to slather this thick layer on my lips. I mean this much layer, but in the morning I used to get up with this very soft lips, so it was the savior. Even for my feet, for my hands, I learned this from my mother. Okay, I also need to tell you about one bad lip balm that I didn't like at all. It is the one, this is from Rustic Art. It balls up, so it's very difficult to apply it, and when I apply it, it feels strange and too much oily. I mean, I like my lip balms to be oily a bit, but this is no, not for me. So I bought it. I don't know how to finish it, I got really disappointed. This is their Calendula lip moisturizer. This is definitely not for me. And if you want to spend a little bit more money and if you want a good lip balm, hold on for a minute. You can try this one from Innisfree. This is their lip sleeping mask with green tea, and I really enjoyed it. You get very good quantity for the price, and this is very moisturizing and nourishing. I just remember this too, so I mentioned, so yeah. Okay, another thing, if you're looking for a good tinted lip balm and if you want to spend like around 700, then this one is quite good. This is Innisfree lip balm. The shade name is, I forgot, I'm gonna mention it here, and the tint is very good, and this is very moisturizing. See, okay, I'm gonna show the tint now, but this is not under 300, but I love this tint a lot. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. See you soon. Bye bye.